Let's double check today the BTC USDT trading pair with my customer Kasar, guys, on a beat stomp. This chart personally for me is still relevant. I'm still waiting this target when I have no idea. And of course, maybe I totally wrong and we will never hit again this year or the next one, the 139K. But this level still relevant personally for me. I mark just in theory, you know, the target is by timing like May 18, maybe not, you know, I just share my ideas, you know. So technically, of course, it also looks like three dress pattern, 1, 2, 3. So logically we can going down. Also the bearish signs here. So we broke that trend line, probably retested, and we should drop it down. Also bearish signal. Another bearish signal, what we can form, it's left shoulder head. Now, even if we bounce, we can reject at 113, for example, and crash it down. The size of the head and shoulder, in this case, can be around 60K. Also bearish signal. From bullish signals, I just have this target, seasonality, QA in United States, 300 billion stable coins, they minted for something. So technically, we still get a chances. And some geopolitical positive, I'm waiting in 2026, maybe 2027, mostly in 2026. But what I don't like here, the volume. The volume from buyers on a weekly time frame here was a huge buyers November 2024, huge sellers November 2025. This kind of weird. That's why, guys, now we're in the middle. So 50-50 chances like usual, but now it's real the 50-50 chances to move up or down. I'm more about up because of macro. And, you know, the sentiment now on the market is so horrible. Everybody waiting the crash down. So the cycle landed. I never believe in the 4-year cycles. So I don't think so. We will see some 4-year cycle again. So now, you know, it's can be the 2 years period, not a cycle, because the BTC become less volatile. So a lot of stuff, you know, changes in the last 3 years, I guess. With ETF and with the BlackRock on the boards, I think I already explained my position about MicroStrategy. So this company in the microseller will end not positive way, but it's just my personal opinion. I'm not a bearish, you know, about a BTC, but I'm kind of bearish about a MicroStrategy. It's kind of weird, you know, because now this is a line, it's yearly open. So imagine we are now like made 3% profit. If we close that 2025 around where we now, you know, like 80K, we can close the year with 3% gains. And this is like a question. So what's more profitable, the gold, for example, or the BTC or the silver? So that's a question, guys. So for me personally, the BTC is not like a hedge or some the saver, the asset is a lifesaver from the cruel financial system. No, of course not. I think that's just a speculative asset. So if we not hold the line now, guys, the next step is 69K. It's a previous all-time high, this one. So technically, for me personally, everything is still in play. That's why it would be good, of course, to see the uptrend move higher. So monthly time frame also looks. I can't say it's bearish or bullish, you know, like maybe we're gonna form the 1, 2, 3. This is gonna be the third one, dry pattern. So it's hard to say, guys. Hard to say, really. That's why let's double check, guys, with my customer said what's going on. So opens, we can close, and we formed a huge gap. So this gap gonna be on a monthly time frame. If we gonna close the December around here. So this gap can be like a trigger for the bounce. And yes, we can rebound to 103K and reject and form the head and shoulder. It's going to be the bad signal. So based on ADZ, guys, but we just in the middle. So it's not accumulation, not the distribution. So it's kind of bad. We formed the huge divergency. It's bearish. Here's was the top in March 24, and we formed the top in September, October, and we formed the huge divergence in the monthly. It's bearish. So technically, of course, like I told you, there's a 50-50 bearish signals and the bullish. So based on the sentiment, right, a lot of people now are ready to open short. So they in total disbelief about the cycle. A bullish sign on a weekly time frame, for example, here, the accumulation in June 22 and the accumulation now. So imagine. So indicators never lie because they don't have any motion. They just show you the pure data, and that's it. So we are now at 90K at the same ADZ. Almost, of course, almost at the same levels on ADZ, but on a weekly time frame like it was in June 22. That's why my conclusion. So after this sweep 79K, when I will be ready to open long to this area, or without a more aggressive uptrend by end of spring, for example, middle of spring, it's hard to say. And it can be, this top and drop and crash it down into bear market. So this is my humble opinion, guys. It's not a hopium. I'm not in BDC, so I'm not hold BDC. I'm not a BDC maxi. I don't care about a BDC. I'm just sharing my ideas about the market. So maybe we already top it at 126K. Who knows? Direction, if we compare the sentiment here, all this period was the time to sell on the weekly time frame, and the last one was the beginning of September, and now we at the level of around here. We are now on the level of January 23. It's kind of bullish. Monthly, here the signal to sell was here November. Last time we saw the signal to sell in the March. Final drop, new low, and the rebound. That's why maybe we get a chance to form another low to 79K again. 78 here, this one. This can be the low. Maybe. So this is the low, sweep again, bounce, and I don't know why we have to drop 10K again down, but it's possible. So hard to say, guys. Daily rebound, but I don't like on a daily, this moment. On a daily, I don't like this moment when we form something like this one. Everybody starts open longs, and we can break and retest the 78,186. So just in case, guys, my position for BTC is still the same. I'm waiting the 79. If not, I will be more than happy if we go more aggressively to the monthly favorable gap and higher. Money power markets more, guys. Some money in on the daily is good. Weekly time frame, some money inflow here at 80K. The last time we saw the money inflow on a BTC on a weekly time frame in September 23 when we traded 25K. Nice one. We're in total disbelief area, so it's bullish also. The last time we saw the total disbelief in February 23. So the indicators never lie, guys. So you can double check. What I don't like, it's a trade on and take profit. Trade on, guys. Here, sell was in June. Drop. The buy line on the weekly, now it's 58K 500. So this is it. So on the monthly time frame, I can say something extra bullish. So the target, the buy line on the monthly time frame now is 26K 800. So like I told you before, I guess the bear market will be around 42.35. So this is going to be the next bottom for the BTC next cycle. And if we count from this top, it's going to be approximately like this one, 75%. So makes sense. The last time approximately we dump it here from this one 77%. So makes sense. So we can hit this high and drop. If we already top it, for example, we should drop to the buy line 78%. Also possible, but you know, you build a plan and you follow this plan. After the fact, the plan can be right or wrong. So, you know, daily time frame, what do we can see here? The buy line, we didn't test the buy line, but it's not necessary, so we will. Because we also didn't test the take profit line. So that's the point. The buy line at this current moment is 71,400. Weekly time frame, buy line I showed you. This is what I told you about head and shoulder. So the worst case, guys, it can be if we top here and form the head and shoulder. Left shoulder, right shoulder, head and the shoulder. So the size of that head and shoulder is going to be the fundamental value of the BTC around 44K at this current moment. That's quite kind of weird, but it's possible. Exit line at this current moment is 132. So that's why I'm more about the uptrend move. It's not a hopium or I wish to see. I just follow my plan. And after the fact, you know, I can confirm I was wrong or I'm correct. Here's a 12-hour time frame. I can say I'm happy with this buy signal because for me it's not enough reason, you know, for the BTC now to move up. So I guess we can see one more drop to 78 because we get a signal buy, recommendation close position, recommendation close position. We rejected the monthly gap, and the positive, of course, move, it's aggressive move up, right? But we need some hopium, we need some positive on the market. And like you can see, the BTC not react at all at any news now. That's why any bad news or some thought around, and you saw the OG, Bitcoin OGs still selling the BTC. So I don't believe in the test the buy line 66K, one take. And I don't believe in the crazy reverse move from now. I'm more about this target. So I'm going to add alert this around. And limit order, like you remember, it's around 79,300, I guess, on Binance futures. So I'm way that target. If not, I'm skip that BTC and move on. So guys, write plus in a comment with your thoughts about a BTC. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show in this video, write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.